Good morning everyone. This is Shivani here. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to start with the chapter 3 subtraction. So subtraction. Subtraction means to take away from a group or a number of things. Subtraction means take away from a group or a number of things. Let us take an example. You bought 10 cupcakes for your birthday party and your friends ate 6 cupcakes. Now you have left with 4 cupcakes. Okay student. So in subtraction we always subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Here 10 is called minuend, 6 is called subtrahend and 4 is called difference. Let us discuss these three terms. First is minuend. What is minuend? The larger number from which we subtract the other number is called minuend. The larger number from which we subtract the other number is called minuend. You can see here 10 is a larger number. Now we are subtracting this smaller number, means other number from this 10. 10 is called minuend. So we can say that bigger number or larger number is called minuend. I hope minuend is clear to everyone. Now let's move on to subtrahend. What is subtrahend? The number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend. The number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend. You can see here we are subtracting 6. So 6 is called subtrahend. Or we can say that the smaller number is called subtrahend. Okay. Now next is difference. The result of subtraction is called the difference between the given numbers. Now here we get 4 as a difference. When we subtract 6 from 10, we get difference 4. So the result of subtraction is called the difference between the given two numbers. In short form, we can say that minuend means bigger number, subtrahend means smaller number, and the result of subtraction is called the difference. I hope these three terms are clear to everyone. Students, you have to keep these three terms in your mind. Understood? Now let's begin with exercise 3A. Now see question number 1. Subtract the following. Question number 1 is subtract the following. You can see here is a sign of minus. So we will do here subtraction. Okay. Student, we always start subtracting from ones place. First we will subtract ones place, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands. So we will start from ones place. Okay student, 5 minus 3. Yes, 5 minus 3, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. Now see one more part. 7 minus 4, yes, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 5, yes, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. Yes. I am explaining one more part, that is E. 0 minus 0, yes, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. I hope question number 1 is clear to everyone. So the rest of the parts are similar. You can do yourself. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 2. Write the following in columns and subtract. What is question number 2? Write the following in columns and subtract. So firstly, numbers are given. We have to write in columns. Then we will do subtraction. Okay students. So firstly, we have to check which is the highest place here. See, ones, tens, 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000. So we will make columns till thousands. Firstly, we write here places till 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, and student, leave one line for borrow if required. Okay. Student, you always keep this point. When we do subtraction, bigger numbers always come on the top. Bigger number always come on the top. Now we have to subtract 1625 from 3768. Means this number is bigger because we are subtracting this from this. The from number is always come on the top. So means this is a minuend and this is a subtrahend. So minuend we always write on the top, then we will write subtrahend, then we will do subtraction. Understood? Okay. So student will always start writing from the right. We already know that. We have already done in addition also. So we always start writing from the right. So 8 is at 1's place. So write here 8. 6 is at 10's place. 7 is at 100's place. And 3 is at 1000 place. Okay, now we write this number. 5 is at 1's place. 2 is at 10's place. 6 is at 100's place and 1 is at 1000 place. Then we have to subtract these numbers. So put the sign of minus here. Okay. So always start subtracting from 1's place. So 8 minus 5, yes, 3. Very good. 6 minus 2, 4. Yes. 7 minus 6, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. The answer is 2143. Understood? Now I will explain one more part. See. 1202 from 6346. You know that we are subtracting this from this. Means this number is a bigger number. So we always write bigger number on the top. Means this is minuend and this is subtrahend. Okay. So firstly we will write the places also. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and write this number on the top. 6, 4, 3, 6. Then 2, 0, 2, 1. Now put the sign of minus here because we are doing subtraction. Okay. 6 minus 2, yes, 4. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 1, yes, 5. Answer is 5144. So I hope question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 3A is clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.